Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the fuel filter on Mercedes C220 CDI W203. The fuel filter on this car is located in the engine bay compartment. It's located right there. In order to remove the fuel filter, we need to remove the two fuel lines that are on top of the fuel filter, and then there is a bolt on the side holding the fuel filter in place. First we remove the two fuel lines. After loosening the brackets, you might want to use a screwdriver. If if they don't want to come out, you might want to pry them out with a screwdriver. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we need to loosen the bolt holding the fuel filter in place. I'll show you where the bolt is right now. The bolt is just on the side of the fuel filter, and it's located right there, just there. We don't need to remove that bolt, we only need to loosen it, because when you loosen it, the bracket that holds the fuel filter will expand, and then we can take out the fuel filter. Now that the bolt is loosened, we can take out the fuel filter. We just need to pull it out. And that's the fuel filter out. That's the part number of the fuel filter right there, you can see. Next we're going to replace it with a new one. Putting the new filter on is exactly the same procedure as removing it. First we're going to put it in place. We're going to tighten the bolt holding the bracket to the fuel filter, and then we're going to put in the two fuel lines and tighten the brackets. After we replace the fuel filter, next we need to prime the fuel system. This car has electric fuel pump in the fuel tank. In order to prime the fuel system, we need to go into the car and turn the ignition on and off for about 10 times. Every time the ignition is on, you hold it for about 3-4 seconds, and then you turn the ignition off, and then you turn the ignition on again for 4-5 seconds, and like that 10 times, and afterwards you can start the car. Now that we've turned the ignition on and off for about 10 times, the fuel system should be primed and we can start the car. We can see we started the car. You can press the accelerator pedal for a little bit just in case it's not primed completely, and then you can turn the ignition off, and then we're done with replacing the fuel filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.